Hey guys, it's Ashley. Happy Monday! This week is going to start Natasha Denona week. I'm going to try out a new product every one of my upload days from Natasha Denona. Products that I have not tried, products that are old, but I'm new to the game, so they're new to me. So today's product is the Natasha Denona Holiday Palette. Now I know it's a holiday palette, but it's new to me, so we are going to try it out. So there's some really pretty shades in here, really glittery shades. However, there is not a good transition shade for me, so I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe to use my transition color. And I'm going to be taking my Ipsy L34 Blend Beauty and using the color Faint as my transition shade. Okay, next I'm going to go in with my Morphe M441 and I'm going to go into this burnt terracotta shade. I'm just putting it in my lower crease and then taking a clean brush, just going to blend any harsh lines. So next I'm going to use Morphe's M433 and I'm going to go into the shade Red Bronze, and my idea is to put it in my outer V. I know that it's a glittery shade, so this might not work out well, but we're gonna try it. And using that same clean brush, just blending the harsh lines. Okay, so this next color, Ice Blue, I'm super excited to try. When I swatched it on my arm in the store, it just friggin' glittered so much. So I'm going to take my Sonia Kashuk number 106 and just put this color on my lid. Whoa. Now, I thought I was going to have to spray some primer water on my brush to get it to sparkle, but I do not need to do that. This is really pigmented. I actually think I'm going to go back into Red Bronze and just lay down a little bit more in my outer V. Okay, so I'm going to go in with my finger and use the shade Nude and just use it in the inner corner of my eye. And lastly, I'm going to use my IT Cosmetics number 124 Airbrush Precision Smudger and the shade Peach Bronze and just blend it in my under eye. I'm trying to incorporate all the colors so you guys can see what they look like. So I'm going to do my eyeliner and lashes off camera and I will be right back. Alright guys, I am back and I'm all linered and mascaraed. I really like this palette. It makes me kind of upset that I'm late to the Natasha Denona game, but I guess better late than never. This blue color, Ice Blue, is insane. I don't know if it's showing up on camera, but it is so glittery and so icy blue, so it's a perfect name. I can't wait to try different looks with this palette, even though it's only 5 different colors. There's this nice gold shade would look really cool as a lid color, the one that I used under the eye today that you probably can't really see very well, but it'll make some really nice looks. So that is it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!